That house has been empty since 1987. Nobody knows why they left. I am going in because the blizzard gives me no choice. The pass is closed. The others are already dead. You are the last one. He said don't go in after dark. He said it's already dark in there. Draft. Just the wind. Someone is here. Structure is sound enough. I need to make this room work for the night. Someone lit this recently. In an abandoned house. In a blizzard. Old house. Thermal expansion. Ice shifting in the roof structure. I have to stay rational. Old house, acoustic vibrations from wind. Temperature outside -38. Inside this room now approximately -5 and dropping toward livable. The house is doing its job. Three hours until dawn. Fire is stable. House is holding against the blizzard. I just need 3 more hours. I know you're here. Come out!
clock stopped. The writing says 3. It is currently 2:51 a.m.
Whatever this place is, it's almost 3:17. I don't know what that means. The family left. Someone wrote on the walls. A clock stopped.
It's over. It's over.
Dawn. The terror of the night recedes, replaced by the quiet sorrow no peer.
What's left behind?
In daylight, it is just a house. Last night, it was something else entirely. The old man was right. You don't go in after dark. You go in when you have no choice. And you leave before it remembers you're there. See it.
I survived minus 38. I survived a blizzard with no equipment. I survived one night in that house. I don't know which one was the most dangerous.
The blizzard was survivable. The cold was manageable. The house, I don't know what the house was. I know I'm not going back to find out.
The old man told me one more thing before he disappeared. He said the house doesn't want to hurt anyone. It just...
47 degrees below zero. Abandoned house. One night, the cold wanted to kill me. The house just wanted company.
Day 1. Survived blizzard in abandoned structure. Temperature -38. Physical condition good. Psychological condition uncertain.
I don't know what was in that house. I know it didn't hurt me. I know it let me leave. I know it kept my fire burning.
The old man was at the tree line when I came out. He was smiling. Not a relieved smile. Not a happy smile.
Did you see where I put the chestnuts?
Right here, Dad. They're almost ready.